Hi, this is P5, Chapter 1, Whole Numbers, Question 6. Mr. Sham bought 3 tables and 9 chairs. He paid a total of 360. A chair costs 15 less than a table. Find the cost of 2 chairs. Alright, we're gonna go through again one more time reading. This time we're going to pick up the keywords. Alright, so he mentioned here Mr. Sham bought 3 tables and 9 chairs. So he paid a total for these items 360. So the chair costs 15 less than the table. Find the cost of 2 chairs. Alright, so how do we do from here? So from here we jot the equation out, which is they mention about the 3 tables. You plus the 9 chairs, that sums to $360. Alright. Then they mention about the chair, one unit, and which is 15 less than a table. Again, 1 unit of 1 table. So obviously from here the table is more than the chair, the cost. So we're gonna compare or do up for just that one particular unit first. So 1 table with your 1 chair, slightly shorter. The difference here is $15. Alright, now we go back to this equation. They mentioned 3 tables, so we're gonna do top here, 1 more table, which is 2 and 3. Because they have the extra 15 here, we're gonna insert the same 15. Therefore this is equal. So we're gonna change this. Instead of 1 table, now it becomes 3 table as they mentioned here. The next is your 9 chairs. You're gonna add 9 chairs to this model, this one model. So it's gonna 1, 2 chairs, 3 chairs, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 9. Okay, so all of this is equal. Alright, so we're gonna change this to 9 as this, and the total here is $360. Alright, so what we're gonna do is, if you notice, we need to find, okay, the question is asking for 2 chairs, so the question mark is this 2. This 1 unit here, 2 unit here, so 2 chairs. Alright, so from here we need to get rid, alright, we need to get rid of this 15. The 15 is here, okay, because from here we can see that if we take the 360 total, you minus off these 15 parts, the 15, 15, 15, that will give us to this portion that's left. This is the one that in green that I highlight here. Okay, so we need to find the green part. So to have that, so our first step is to take the $15, you multiply 3, that will give us 45. Then if we notice, this green part portion is actually our 3 units, the tables, 3 plus the 9 chairs, so 9 units, which is total up to 12 unit, and this 12 unit is equivalent to the total 360. Okay, overall of all of this 360, we minus off these 15 parts, the $45. Okay, that will give us 315. Okay, the green portion here that we can see is 315. Now you need to find for the 2 units. These 2 units. Okay, how do we get the 2 units? So with that 2 units, we always find for 1 unit, right? Some schools, they will ask the kids to do as 1 unit, but with my students, I strongly encourage them to go straight away to find 2 units, or if let's say the question is asking for 5 units or 10 units, we straight away find so rather than 1 unit, because it saves the time. All right, so for 2 units will be this part 315 you divide by 12, that is here, so then we multiply by 2. So this part here that we are doing is actually finding for 1 unit. It's the same, only that we combine and make it to one step. So 315, okay, 315 we divide by 12 and we multiply by 2 units, which will give us 5250. Alright, so that's the answer. So I hope the working is clear and simple enough for you to understand and go through with your child. I'll see you in the next video.